A 3-year starter for the Kentucky Wildcats, Bud Dupree was the standout player on a mediocre team. Blessed with size, speed, and tenacity, Dupree caused havoc in the backfield for the Wildcats.
Third and goal. Drops, hit, taken down. Bud Dupree, the top sack man in the SEC, came untouched.
A workout warrior, Dupree added 15 pounds during the offseason, bulking up to 264 pounds of chiseled flesh. Improving on his sack numbers each year, number 2 has finished in the top 10 in the SEC in quarterback sacks in each of the past 3 seasons. The former Wildcat recorded 23.5 career sacks, the second most in Kentucky history. While leading the Wildcats in numerous statistical categories his senior season, he was awarded first-team All-SEC. For 2013, he was awarded second-team All-SEC honors by the coaches. A freakish athlete, Bud Dupree was a top performer in the only 3 skilled events he was a part of at the Combine. In the 40-yard dash, he ran a 4.56, ranking him tied for 3rd among linebackers. In the broad jump, he leaped out to an impressive 11 feet 6 inches, an inch short of Jamie Collins' best in 2013. His vertical jump of 42 inches was the 2nd highest among linebackers since 2006. After a successful combine, Dupree used his pro day to cement his status as a first-round pick.
As for the passing game, he puts him behind the down and distance. Now they're forced into the passing game on second attempt. Tipped and picked! Bud Dupree! And this place is nuts!
The added value to defensive edge rushers has Dupree's stock rising. For the 2015 draft, the once dominant SEC force Bud Dupree will hear his name called anywhere in the top 32 as he tries to become the 5th Wildcat on defense to be drafted in the 1st round.